Is this air fryer worth it? Well, here's my take. Air fryers have revolutioned kitchens everywhere. Gone are the days with old-fashioned frying that drench your dishes with unhealthy oil. Air fryers give you succulent chicken and crispy veggies. You can cook anything. The air fryer's cutting-edge technology circulates hot air around your food, creating a crispy outer layer while keeping the inside tender and juicy. There's so many air fryers on the market. It's difficult to source through the good and the bad, but I'm here to tell you that the Ninja Foodi Dual Air Fryer is a game changer. It's user-friendly. Smart Finish allows for 2 different types of food to be done at the same time, or you can match finish for both at the same time and same temp. There's multiple quart options. I have the 10 quart and I use it daily. Highly recommend. Link in description box below. Like, follow, subscribe. Thanks.